Good morning. This video is helped to support question number 6 in the HiSET Free Practice Exam 6A. So in this problem, we're looking at an ad, and then we're trying to determine the calculation, not the actual cost, but the calculation to represent the cost of 2 dozen iris bulbs. Okay, so the cost for the total bulbs. The first thing we have to know is that a dozen equals 12 bulbs, or whatever you're talking about. A dozen is 12. Okay, a couple ways to do this one. One thing you can do is just go through and figure out how much does it cost to buy 12 bulbs, and then figure out which one of these expressions represents that. The second way is just to look at it algebraically. So if we look at the first one, the first half dozen, so that means the first 6 bulbs. The second 6 bulbs is $4, and then if you buy a total of 12 bulbs, each additional one is only $3. Alright, so we know that all 24, 2 dozen is going to be a total of 24. That's how many we're buying total. And we know they're not all going to be $3 because the first 6 are going to be 5, second 6 are going to be 4, so we know it's not this one. Let's just eliminate that right away. Okay, next, we know that this one's saying 1 is 5, then 2 are 4, and then 12 are 3. Well, that doesn't make any sense because we know that we're going to pay for 6 at $5, so it can't be this one. Okay, looking at the next one, C says 6 costs 5, 6 costs 4, and then 12 costs 3. Okay, that sounds about right. 6 costs 5, the next 6 costs 4, and then we're buying another 12 more because we want 24 total, and that's going to be at 3. So I think it's this one, I'm not sure. Let's look at the next one. This one says 12 cost 5 and 12 cost 4. Well, we know that's not true because it said the first half cost 5, the second half dozen, the second 6 cost 4, and then the next dozen, or the next 12 that we're buying, are going to cost 3. So it can't be that one. And this one is saying 1 half cost 5, 1 half cost 4, and 12 cost 3. Well, if this said a half dozen and a half dozen, but in this case a half a dozen is 6 bulbs. It's not half a bulb, this is saying half a bulb. So it can't be that one. Okay, so by elimination I know that my answer is C. I hope this video helps. If you want some more support in this type of problem, go ahead and look at the standards, the number under number and operation, and specifically you can look at the number and operation standard 6. I hope this helps. Have a great day.